Hey y'all, it's Deondra. Today I'm showing you guys how I washed my hair using the Curlsmith detox system. This 3-step system is made to control and regulate the scalp's protective barrier. So the system comes with 3 products, including the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer, the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic, and the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner. So all 3 of these together clarify your scalp for healthy hair growth. So I'm starting my wash day the same as I always do by parting my hair into 4 sections. Washing my hair in sections just makes it a lot easier. My hair doesn't get all tangled, and this is just how I've been doing it ever since I started my natural hair journey. So now it's time for the detox system. I followed the directions that were on the back of the box, and the first product is said to apply to wet hair. So I'm just taking my spray bottle and spraying this section down. Now that my hair is nice and wet, I'm going in with the first product, which is the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. So the directions said to gently massage this product onto my scalp and then make my way down the length of my hair. After I've done this, I'm supposed to finger detangle. This product is designed to protect your hair from being stripped during the clarifying process. And I will say that this product had so much slip. It made my hair super easy to detangle, so I really liked it. This prebiotic primer is made with fermented rice water, and it's designed to detangle and protect the hair before you go in with the clarifying product. Now I'm just twisting this section up and moving on to the next section. I did this exact same thing in all 4 sections. I decided to take a little bit of the prebiotic primer on my fingertips and just apply it directly to my scalp just to make sure that it was nice and protected. After you apply the prebiotic, you don't rinse it out and you go straight to the second product, which is the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. The directions say to apply the scrub with your hands, massaging vigorously to clarify, breaking down any dirt and buildup, and then rinse thoroughly. This scrub is made of gentle particles. The texture is very fine, so you really don't even feel the particles as you're scrubbing your scalp with it, which is really nice. And it just effectively exfoliates your scalp and it washes off without leaving any residue. This scrub is made with apple cider vinegar and ginger root, which are really good for cleansing your hair and promoting healthy hair growth. Normally, clarifying shampoos can really strip your hair and leave it very dry, but luckily we applied our prebiotic primer, so that's not going to happen. Now that I finished with all 4 sections, I just clipped that last section up and went and washed my hair. And now it's time for the last product in this 3-step system, the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner. So I went in and applied this product pretty generously, making sure that I covered every single strand. It said that you can leave this product on for 1 to 2 minutes for added moisture. I ended up letting it sit for about 30 minutes, but you know, you can do whatever you want to do. This product is so creamy, y'all. Like, I really loved it. It has tea tree and mint, which gave my scalp a nice cooling sensation, and it leaves my scalp nice and refreshed after clarifying. So you really want to make sure that you do not skip this step. You've used a clarifying shampoo product, and so now your hair is lacking some of the moisture, and this product is just going to put that moisture right back in so that your hair is nice and healthy. Now that I'm done applying the conditioner to all of my hair, I'm just twisting this up, and then I let it sit for 30 minutes like I said, and then rinsed it out. My hair feels super clean, yet it doesn't feel stripped. It still feels nice and soft and moisturized, and I just really like this system. So if you're looking for something that's going to clarify your scalp but not completely strip your hair, then I definitely recommend Curlsmith. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and don't forget to turn on my post notifications so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Bye!